ERPCA. How to configure ERPCA add-on in Tally ERP 9. Step 1. Start Tally ERP 9. Step 2. Select company. Step 3. Press F11, or click on Features. Step 4. Select Add-on Features. Step 5. Set Enable ERPCA Module to Yes. Step 6. Enter credentials. Paste key. Ctrl plus Alt plus V. Step 7. After successful login, come back to main screen, Gateway of Tally. Step 8. Select ERPCA integration. Step 9. Select Map Companies, ERPCA. Step 10. Enter details and select based on company. In this way we can configure ERPCA add-on in Tally ERP 9. Thank you. With ERPCA, practice with ease.